Hello, Auntie Jen here, and today I'm going to show you how to make Auntie Jen's sweet carrots. They're so good, you just wait. I think you're going to really like them. So let's get started. Okay, to make Auntie Jen's sweet carrots, I've already cut and peeled up this is about 2 medium-sized bags of carrots. So I've peeled those and cut them up into good-sized chunks. Some of them are like that size, some are like this. Now I cut these up last night and I just left them in the refrigerator overnight in the water so they'd be fresh this morning. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rinse this, drain this water off and put fresh water in. Then we're going to put it on the stove and cook it. Okay, now what you'll need to make this is these carrots. You'll also need some sugar and you'll need some of the Earth Balance butter. So, but for right now, let me drain this off and then I'll come back and show you what we're doing. Drained off the old water that I had in the refrigerator covering this last night, and I've got fresh water in, and I've got about 1 inch over the top of the carrots that I've got cut. So we're just going to put a lid on it, and then we're going to put it on the stove. And I'm using the big burner, and we're going to turn that on high. We're going to let this start boiling, okay? And once it starts boiling, we'll leave it boiling for a little while. But now one thing you want to watch about this is make sure that your water don't boil out. You got to keep checking it. And if you wind up, the water gets low, then add some more, just tap water to it. And that way you'll keep it from burning and sticking. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. Watch this gluten-free tip and we'll be back here later. Alright, our carrots have been cooking on high for about an hour, so let's check those. See how they're coming along. Yeah, they're getting done. So right now, I'm going to turn it down on low and just let it stay hot, because what I want to do is time it to get ready with all my other stuff. So I'm just going to put it on low for right now. And then when we get ready to finalize it, we'll be back and I'll show you how to add the butter and the sugar. Alright, it's time to finish up the carrots. So they've been on low for a little while, so we're going to take them over here and drain the water out of them. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I usually use my lid to keep the carrots in and leave a little hole big enough to drain out the water. I'm going to drain most of the water. You can leave just a little bit in, not much though. Okay, let me show you what I got. Okay, see what I got? There's not much water in there. Okay, now we're going to add some butter. And I'm going to add some pretty good sized chunks of butter into this. We'll probably add about 3 big chunks. Alright, see what we got? Okay. We're going to stir that around just a little. Let some of it melt in there. Okay. We still got our burner on low here. And now we're going to add our sugar in. And basically, I'm probably putting about somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 cup. Okay, these will make them really sweet. Alright, see what that looks like? Okay, now I'm just going to stir these up. And again, if you're eating low carb, just leave the sugar out. You don't have to make them sweet, but it is better with a little bit of sugar. Okay, now I'm going to turn them up a little bit, let them get really hot. And I probably am going to add even just a little bit more sugar. So it's probably winding up being about 1/2 cup. Okay, now once this starts boiling, I don't want to stir it too much because I don't want to get my carrots mushy, but I am going to stir it around some because I like for the sugar to get well mixed into the carrots. So we're going to do that a little bit. And once it comes to a boil, they'll be done. Alright, we're going to let it boil, and when it comes to that point, we'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, we've made Auntie Jen's Thanksgiving dinner today, and we've got those sweet carrots, and this is daughter taste test, so you know that's the best taste test ever. So alright, Rachel, let me see what they're like.
Alright. I could eat these as dessert. Delicious.
Alright, looks like we passed the
You
test.
gotta try it.
Alright, awesome. Thank you, guys. Okay, this is how you make Auntie Jen's sweet carrots. Look at that. Looks good. Alright, I can't wait to eat it. Alright. Auntie Jen's going to be signing off, but before I do, I want you to make sure that you subscribe and make sure to share this video and also leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. Okay, Auntie Jen signing off. We'll catch you on the next recipe.